everyone! Today I make bread. This is a bread recipe that I'm sure you will like this. So, let's get started! Warm milk. Okay. Yeast. Okay. And then of course, followed by sugar. 500 grams all-purpose flour. And then incorporate the flour into the mixture. Remove this and then I'll use the hand mixer, electric hand mixer. So this is my first time I use this. This is salt. $70 grams first. The first half of the butter that is softened. Second. Look, this is a beautiful dough. Okay, so let it rest here and we cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for about 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours, depending on the temperature of the kitchen. It with flour and I'll dust it. I'll knead it lightly, making folds. Lightly. And then I'll make a hole at the center and pull both ends and it becomes like this. Now it's ready to divide it. I'll divide first into 3. I'll divide it into 3 parts and then each part into 2. And then each part into 2 again. All in all, 12 pieces. Like this. If it is sticky, just dust it with flour. And then you flatten it like this, each cut dough. A little wider, like this. And then you roll it like this. So that's it. And then you close it here. And then you put it directly on the oven tray. Do the same thing. Flatten it. Okay. And then roll it.
Okay. Just press a little bit to close both ends, and then close the edges. A little rolling. Two right here. Okay.
Look at them. They have already expanded their size. They are ready to be put in the oven. So here are the milk bread.